If Groundhog Phil was correct in his predictions, DeWalt is up for an early spring with all new, well, new for the season, outdoor power equipment. We have 4 new 60V max outdoor power tools, a chainsaw, hedge trimmer, pressure washer, and a brushless blower. First in the lineup is DeWalt's 60V max 14-inch top handle chainsaw, the DCC674B. A compact powerhouse designed for all you treehouse professionals, powered by FlexVolt batteries. It follows all the others by being a cordless solution that outpowers gas. Which at this point, is that even a surprise? It does cut an 11-inch hickory log in only 11 seconds, which is quite impressive, meaning it's about 35% faster than a 35cc gas chainsaw. The design of this bad boy is nothing to gloss over either. Coming in with its cast magnesium gear case and all-metal adjustable oiler, it has a LED dashboard that has a battery indicator, fault light, and a chain brake. The chain brake is a great safety feature, and DeWalt made it super easy to turn off and on. It is also a part of DeWalt's Tool Connect system, so you can track your chainsaw even if Leatherface decides to steal it. You can get 160 cuts per charge on a 4x4 pressure-treated pine. It has a chain speed of 23 meters per second and a 2.4 horsepower motor, making it a beast. Which may be why you need the Tool Connect to keep it safe from certain individuals. They also added a D-ring harness attachment point so you can activate your Spider-Man mode and climb with real speed using 2 hands. They also were considerate of you lefties out there and upgraded from their 20-volt chainsaw to make it easier to release the safety switch for righties or lefties. There were a few concerns brought up by end users. This includes the weight of the saw and the oil reservoir. It has a little more weight to it than some other chainsaws on the market, but nothing too detrimental to your work. It is also suggested to prime your oil reservoir before cutting, as it takes a bit for it to reach your chainsaw's blade. This chainsaw also does come in a kit. The part number is DCC-S674X2. The bare tool is running at $499 while the kit is $749. Next up is the DeWalt 60V max 26-inch brushless cordless head trimmer DCH-T870B. Perfect for landscaping and having the best yard in the whole neighborhood. It delivers up to 3,400 strokes per minute and works great for hedges, bushes, and small branches. It has a 26-inch steel blade that gives durability and efficiency to the trimmer and has a blade gap of 1¼ inch and dual shear edges. It has a wraparound auxiliary handle that keeps it comfortable to do various angles. The trimmer also comes in a kit, and that part number is DCH-T870T1. The bare tool for this is priced at $229 while the kit is only a little higher at $329. DeWalt also released a 220-volt 1600 PCI pressure washer, DCPW1600. They left nothing out when designing this. They have onboard storage for the gun and wand, and also added a foldable handle and wheel so you can take it with you anywhere you need it. It is also pretty lightweight at only 24 pounds, so it's a nice little compact pressure washer, good for both professionals and DIYers. It comes with 3 different power modes, low, high, and turbo, with turbo getting up to 1600 max PSI. It runs on 2 FlexVolt batteries and can run up to an hour. The flow rate is 1.2 gallons per minute with a max flow rate of up to 1.4 gallons per minute. This pressure washer also comes in a kit that includes all the things you see on the screen. This kit will cost you $699. Last but not least, DeWalt came out with a 60V max high power brushless blower, DCBL777B. It's a quiet blower but delivers a pretty powerful punch. It has 78% less noise than a gas blower and delivers up to 760 CFM of air at 160 miles per hour. Also giving it a 46% more blowing power than a gas blower. This blower can get up to 20 minutes of runtime in eco mode. This blower is also a part of DeWalt's Tool Connect system, allowing you to find this blower even if your neighbor borrows it and conveniently loses it. This also comes in a kit, DCBL777Y1. It comes with a concentrator, sweeper nozzle, and shoulder strap. The bare tool is $269 while the kit is $399. All of DeWalt's newly released outdoor power equipment will be available on our website, link in the description, so gear up and enjoy the few months of heat and sunshine Ohio allows us to the fullest. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. Basically, a lot of goodies.